Today we're going to review the Bellroy Apex Slim Sleeve Wallet. And no, this is not an unboxing, I just thought the box was nice. I've actually been carrying this wallet around and using it for the past week. This is my third Bellroy leather wallet that I've tested and reviewed. And I got a lot to say. Does it stand up to the other iconic Bellroy wallets, such as the Slim Sleeve and the Note Sleeve? Is the magnetic closing system as functional as it is satisfying? And most importantly, is this the wallet for you? By the end of this review, you will know the exact answer to all those questions. Let's jump into it. First up, let's talk about the gist of this wallet. Who is it for? I'll tell you who it's not for. Tab, give me the dad wallet. Dad wallet people. Tab wallet people. If you're the kind of guy or gal who carries receipts, 13 credit cards, and enough coins to suffocate a baby rhinoceros, then you need like a dad wallet. This ain't a dad wallet. But if you're looking for a wallet that's more on the minimalist side, then this is going to be much more in your ballpark. Some of the features are the leather materials, the stitchless construction, but the most important characteristic is the magnetic opening and closing. We'll discuss that magnetic opening and closing a bit more on the inside section. It can fit 6 to 8 cards, boasts RFID protection, which keeps your credit cards safe from hackers, and the leather is environmentally certified. Let's talk about the outside. Kicking it off, we do have that environmentally certified leather, and when it comes to materials, if there's one material that Bellroy knows best, and they just knock it out of the park, it's their leather. It's got a premium feel to it, a nice shine to it. Should be noted, as of recording, it comes in 3 different color options: blue, gray, and black. And you might be asking, Aaron, does it have that nice leather smell? It does. Tab, smell my wallet.
Put it in your pocket, I don't want it.
Smart move. One unique selling point is the fact that this is a stitchless leather wallet. It's actually heat bonded. Tab, good question. And one last point on the outside is we have Bellroy's very subtle but very tasteful branding right there, so it's still got like that subtle, discreet, anonymous look to it. Now let's get inside. Now here's the deal. When I first got this wallet, I was like, magnetic opening and closing? Now you're talking my language, let me get in. And I was like having kind of a hard time. Now don't get me wrong, like you can still get in like this, but you're gonna be fiddling around. So then I went on the Bellroy website and I'm like, there must be a better way. And there is. One hand, pop the top, and you got it open. And then you can actually one-hand it, or pop it open, two-hand it. It's actually pretty seamless, and it's very satisfying to use. Once we're inside, like I said, this wallet holds up to 6 to 8 cards. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. The first compartment, just a basic credit card compartment. Right below it, we have Bellroy's adorable little owl. I'm gonna call you Rusty. Next up, we have this compartment, which is the cash compartment. Blang, blang. There's a decent amount of space in this compartment without being unnecessarily large or bulky. And you can see I comfortably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bills, and you could easily double the amount of bills that go in that compartment. Flipping over to the other side, we have the pull tab credit card compartment. You got this really thin pull tab right here. Nice material, nice design. One note too is you're like, oh, just kind of a black leather wallet, but I love how Bellroy gave the inside, oh, that's right, boom, of the wallet a little bit of extra life with this orange interior, or what do they call it on the website? Tangelo. It's not orange. It's Tangelo. And a nice, cool, retro sort of design with the actual pull tab itself. The pull tab, very smooth. Give it a pull, got your card, good to go. And then finally, on the other side, we have another credit card holder. No Rusty on that side. Rusty's just here. So if you're watching this review and you're like, I'm totally gonna buy one, then we do recommend that you use the first link right there in the description. That link makes sure that you get the best price, and it also helps to support our Nomads Nation YouTube channel. Thank you very much. But maybe you want some alternative recommendations. You're not quite sold on the Apex Slim Sleeve yet. Alternative recommendation number 1 is going to be the Bellroy Note or the Bellroy Slim Sleeve. Similar, slim, minimalist design, top-notch leather, but no magnet that you have to fuss with. That might not be your thing. If that sounds like it might be more up your alley, take a look in the description below, and you'll find a link to our full review of both wallets. We compare and contrasted them. Alternative recommendation number 2 is if you're just like looking for something even more minimalist, like I just want like a nice band that holds all my cards and cash. If that's the case, you might be smitten by the Nomatic wallet. super basic, but as minimalist as it gets, and it's a highly functional everyday wallet. To learn more about the Nomatic wallet, down there you can find a link to our full review. And alternative wallet recommendation number 3 is the Aviator wallet. If you're looking for something super manly, super techy, with a really high amount of thoughtful engineering that went into it, then you're gonna love this wallet. It's made out of metal, it's badass, and we did a full review, which you can find in the description below. I'm Aaron, this is Nomads Nation. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you found this review useful, the best way to just show us a little bit of love is to hit the like button. Small gesture, but it goes a long way and we really appreciate it. And let us know in the comments below, have you tested out any Bellroy wallets? Do you own the Bellroy Apex Slim Sleeve wallet? We'd love to hear your experience so far. Let us know in the comments. It just kind of helps this channel and really anyone on the internet get more educated and find the perfect wallet for them. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. FBI. Cecilia, you're breaking my heart. I'm down in the dumpling and saying